This kindergarten class is learning about spiders. To emphasize the number and type of spider body parts, the teacher helps her students create spiders out of construction paper.
Okay, what we're doing, Matthew, is we're making a spider. This will be the abdomen of the spider. Here will be the head. You're going to trace and cut them out and glue them together. Then how many legs does a spider have?
8.
8. So then you're going to fold your 8 legs up and glue them on. The activity I did today was a spider lesson. I usually do a 1 or 2 week spider lesson in October. And it was an integrated unit that integrated language arts with the reading and writing and math with the graphing and counting, and it integrated science with life cycles of animals and social studies with of states and geography.
The teacher shares a book about spiders with her students.
Since we've been talking about spiders this week, I'm going to read the book I Love Spiders this morning. It was written by John Parker, and it was illustrated by Rita Parkinson. What does the illustrator do? Draws the pictures. What do you call John Parker, who wrote the book?
He does all the work.
But what is he called? Matthew?
Arthur.
The author, right. Okay, I love spiders. Raise your hand if you love spiders. Oh, okay. Everyone in here loves spiders. Young spiders, old spiders. I think they're great. Shy spiders, bold spiders. I think they're great. Round spiders, fat spiders. Oval spiders, flat spiders.
The students record whether or not they like spiders. Then they use that information to create a class graph.
Okay, now I want to know. Now I want you to be honest. Don't say you like spiders just because you think I do. Let's read this. What does it say?
Do you like spiders?
What does it say?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Okay, I'm going to have you come up and write your name under yes or no, okay? Nicholas, do you like spiders? He likes spiders. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay? Now let's read the question again, okay? Let me get up here. Let's read the question.
Do you like spiders?
Now let's read who said what.
Yes.
Okay, who said yes?
Nicholas, Tori, Dawn, Shady, Amelia, Lucas, Iwan, Ralph, China, Brianna, Kelly, Hunter, Matthew, Steven.
Okay, how many people was that? Let's count that, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Who thinks they can come up here and make a 14? Someone's sitting on their bottom. China, come up here and make a 14 for me, please. Make a 14 right there for me. Okay, good. And then under, what is this category? No. What do we have?
Heather.
Heather. And how many is that?
1.
1. Let's see, Tori, can you come up here and put a 1? Okay. Now, hard question. How many do we have all together? If we take all the people that said yes and all the people that said no, how many do we have? I was going to say Matthew till you spoke out. Ralph? 15. Let's count to make sure. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, and who can make a 15 for me? Let's see, Nicholas, you want to make a 15?
As a class, the students read the poem Little Miss Muffet.
Remember Little Miss Muffet?
Yes. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curtain wave. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
This word?
Little, sad,
Oh, I tricked you.
came down and me.
Okay.
The teacher integrates geography in the lesson by working with a map of the United States of America. The students locate Virginia and Missouri and list several important facts about their home state.
Who can come up here and show me where Virginia is? Because we live in Virginia, right, Chaley? Can you show me where Virginia is? Right there. And what's the capital of Virginia?
Richmond.
Okay. What's the state flower?
Dogwood.
State bird?
Cardinal.
Let's see.
Tree.
State tree, we just said. Okay, state tree and flower? Dogwood. Okay. And the drink?
Milk.
Milk. Okay, sit on your bottoms. Now, we're sending pictures to Missouri, and Missouri is sending spider pictures to us so we can see what spiders in Missouri look like and what spiders and they can see what spiders in Virginia look like. Now, this is a hard one. Yeah, that's what we're going to figure out. Who thinks they know where Missouri is? Ralph?
Myself.
Let's see if he knows where Missouri is. Oh, that's close because it begins with the M. It starts with the M like Missouri, but that's not Missouri. That's Montana. It's not, sit on your bottoms because I'm not going to pick you if you're not on your bottom. It's not east and it's not west. It's kind of in the middle. Tori, Ralph, why don't you sit down? Let Tori have a chance. I think Missouri. He found it. Missouri is right there in the middle of the United States. So I'm going to let's put this sticker on here. There's Missouri. Okay. Now, do we say, is Virginia east or west?
East.
East. Okay. California's over here in the
West.
Florida's down here in the
South.
Y'all are so smart. Let's see. And Montana that Ralph is what? North. All this blue stuff here is what?
Water.
Water. Do you remember what ocean's over here? Atlantic Ocean. That's good.
The students are learning about black widow spiders. They will use the information they obtain from various literary resources to teach a kindergarten classroom in Missouri important facts about black widow spiders.
Okay, Tori?
Sometimes black widows hide in your shoes.
Sometimes they hide in your shoes. Who can tell me something about their web? Okay, I'm not going to pick anyone that's shouting out or grunting. Sometimes they hide in your shoes. Okay, Hunter?
They're poisonous and they could kill you.
Right. Well, we've kind of said that they make you sick and they're poisonous. China?
They got a tangled web.
They have a tangled web. Let's start with the color word.
Black. Black. Black.
Okay, what's this word?
R. R. O. So. M. A. E. L. Day. 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 Bill.
Okay, let's look at some of the harder words. What is this word?
Widow.
Right.
Poisonous. Scared.
Oh.
Tangled.
Okay.
Touch. Insect.
Good job. Good job.
The students also learn the basic parts of a spider and then review the parts as a class. The teacher labels a diagram of a spider while the students draw and label their own diagrams in their notepads.
Who can tell me something they see in the picture? Let's see. Aaliyah. Legs. Let's spell legs. La.
L.
So make your L.
Can it be a camera?
La.
E.
E. Leg.
G.
G. And then the spider has more than one, so it's legs.
F.
Okay, and how many legs does a spider have?
8.
8. So I'm just going to put an 8 right beside there because it has 8 legs.
I need to.
Everyone, if we go too fast, just raise your hand and we'll slow down. Matthew?
Things.
Things.
Mouth part.
Fangs. You didn't say things, you said fangs, okay? Fa.
L.
Good. I hear some of you giving me the letter. A.
G.
Fang.
N.
Fanga.
G.
G. Does he have one fang or does he have more than one?
Two.
So what do I put?
A.
S. Fangs. How many fangs does it have? Two. Okay, so put the number 2 there.
The teacher helps the students create spider crackers for a snack. This activity also allows the students to review the anatomy of a spider.
One of your crackers with peanut butter on it is the head. The other cracker with the peanut butter is the abdomen of the spider, because a spider has how many body parts? Two. So this is the bottom of the spider. Now, one's the head, one's the abdomen. Now, how does a spider spin its web? By its what? Lucas? Stephen, how does a spider spin its web? With its what? Spinnerets. Now, a spider has 6 spinnerets. So you're going to take your 6 red hots and you're going to put them towards the back of one of your crackers. I'm going to do Heather's, Matthew, so you can see how to do this. All the little red hots, because a spider has 6 spinnerets in its body. So it's going to look like this. See? Put your red hots on there as the spinnerets. I'm going to see who can follow directions. Oh, look at Shaylee. Look at Lucas. All 6 of them. Good, China.
The students go outside to look for spiders to photograph with their spider cams. These pictures will then be posted on a website for their partner classroom in Missouri.
Ooh, get a picture of those.
There's a spider! I saw a little baby spider up here.
Oh, now when I tell you, I told you it's not an Easter egg hunt now.
I took a picture.
Okay, why don't some of you look?
I got that. I saw it.
Okay, let's put the rock back so they can live like they're supposed to.
I know.
The students check their website for pictures and information from the kindergarten class in Missouri. They also post their information about black widows on the website for students in Missouri.
Garden spiders from Mrs. Gaines' class. It says the top photo was taken by a student. Other photos were taken by Mrs. Gaines with captions by the student. So there's a spider. It looks like they have a spider where? In what?
The circle.
Okay, Stephen, can you read that?
This is a garden spider that Miss Gaines' class observed for several days in the classroom.
Okay. Look at it. Isn't it pretty? But you know what? Missouri is not the only place that has those. We have those in Virginia, too. Okay, Ralph, can you read this one?
The garden spider is
Crawling.
crawling on its web. She is waiting for
Some
some
insects.
insects. We are learning about spiders.
Good.
The teacher asks the students to reflect on what they have learned about spiders. They write a few sentences about spiders on their notepads.
Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to write 1 or 2 sentences about a spider. Anything you want to write. And when you're finished, I want you to read it to me. Okay, write about a spider. Write 1 or 2 sentences. You gonna write something? You thinking first? Taking your time? Yeah, take your time and think about what you want to write. So think about the things you've learned about spiders today.